In this video tutorial, we will do we will define the roles, and after that we will assign these roles to the different resources. For defining the roles, we will go to the enterprise, and here you can see that roles option. Click on the roles option. This window will prompt out for the roles. By clicking on this add button, we are going to define the roles. First of all, I will define the CPM R as a resource ID and CPM roles. This is the main heading. Under this, we will define different roles like architect, commissioning engineer, civil engineer, mechanical engineer. So by using this add button and using this navigation key, I am going to write the first role. A stands for architect. In this way, we will define different roles. We can use also this insert button as a shortcut key for adding a new role is the procurement engineer. After defining the roles, you can go to the general tab, and here you can define different responsibilities. So for architect, for example, I am going to write some roles. I will go to the modify option, and here I will write prepare the shop drawings, render different sketches. In this way, you can define different kinds of roles. So after defining this one, you can also change its font color, sizes, etc. Then I will click OK, and all the things which we have defined are showing here. We can also print this as well. Then I will go to the resource tab, and here I will add these roles to different resources. For example, our three design engineers are architects. I will go here, click on the assign button, and I will the resource tab will be open. Resource pool is open. Here if I consider design 1 engineer, design 2 engineer, and design 3 engineer or architect, I will just select three of these resources, then click assign button, and these three persons with a name of Abu Bakr, Ahmad, and Umar are assigned the role of architect. In this way, for different roles, we will assign the different resources. And if you want to assign the resources as well, you can also add this roles in the resource tab as well. Then go to the resource option, and here you can see that I have defined the primary roles here, so it is automatically linked with these resources. So if you want to add the role here, you can also add in the option of resources. For example, design engineer 4, design engineer 5 are civil engineers, so I am going to select the civil engineer from here. In this way, I will assign all the roles to different resources. Now you can see that all the roles has been assigned to different resources. So there are two ways we have discussed. Either go to the resource tab option and assign the roles from here, or either you have to go to the roles option by going into the enterprise option, select this role button. Here you can see you have defined all the resources. After defining this, you can assign from here resource tab as well. So here you can also define its proficiency as well. There are different categories: master, expert, skilled, proficient, and inexperienced.